بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the ever merciful. Welcome to Follow Quran, an Islamic YouTube channel. You will listen English translation of Surah Al-Anbiyya verse 1, 2, 3, and 4. Verse 1, the time of reckoning for people has drawn near, but, wrapped in heedlessness, they are disinclined to obedience. Verse 2, whenever some new admonition comes to them from their Lord, they listen to it, with such carelessness, as if they are engaged in sport. Verse 3, their hearts have become neglectful and, these, wrongdoers whisper, against you, inaudibly, he is but a human being like you. Do you, even then, submit to his magic whilst you can see? Verse 4, the esteemed Prophet said, my Lord knows every word uttered in the heavens and the earth, and he is all-hearing, all-knowing.